Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can integrate or we can have Coolify in our VPS. So we have learned different kind of things about VPS, but we didn't know how to have Coolify in a VPS. So for that one, we are going to use PUTTY, a tool which is used to connect to remote computer through your computer. Right. So for that one, we are going to use this tool. And for this tool, we need the IP address or the host name of your remote computer or your VPS, which you can get while you are buying VPS. So enter that IP address in the host name, and the port is always 22 because it's good for SSH. You can find it as default. And after that, you can save that one. After saving your host name and port, you can open that computer in your local computer. So now here you are accessing your remote computer through your local computer now. Now you need to enter the root user and root password of your remote computer over here. So we are entering that. Basically, we are trying to access the terminal of that computer here. And we have installed Linux, so that's why we'll use all the Linux command over here. So first, we are going to apply a command or hit a command to upgrade the system and different kind of application or software that is found in our system. So let us do that one. So after we have do that one, then we are going to trying to find out upgrade to different kind of or to our system. So that's what we are going to do over here. Now after finding that we don't have any kind of upgrade over here, so we will go to our Coolify doc, and in Coolify doc over this URL you will get that in description. You will find out a link over there, a call operation. Now copy that and paste it in your terminal into your PUTTY putty tool. So paste it over there, and after you have pasted that command in a terminal, hit enter. It will take some time. So wait for that amount of time. Like it may take 4 or 5 minutes according to your BPS. How much RAM does it have and how many core processors does it have? The speed depends upon that. The speed does not depend upon your your local computer. So after you have done that thing, so we will see such kind of a message. So after you have seen this message, then just enter your um, IP address in the URL. You will find with the port as 8000. You will find out that it will tell you to register the account at first. So you need to register your with the name, your email, your password, and you need to write down the password again to confirm that password. So after doing that, just click on create account. So after you have created the account, it will tell you to do some setup. So we'll go with this setup first. We won't skip that part. So let's click on let's go. Now after clicking on let's go, then what you will see is that it will tell you to choose server type like this machine, remote server, or hosted cloud. So we are going to click on this machine because we are going to set up our machine on the remote computer. So it will tell you to set up a project. We'll click on create my project. It will create a project already for you in the Coolify dashboard. So if you want to do that thing, then it won't do anything. Just we will see a blank dashboard. We won't have any kind of projects. But if you have clicked on that create my project, then you will see that the my first project is already created in your dashboard. So after you have done this thing, then congratulations, you have successfully installed the Coolify into your VPS. So thank you for today. Hope you are understanding things.